Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped to fill you guys in on what has happened. I know I just posted a video not long ago explaining that I was thinking about switching manufacturers again, and you guys, I made the decision and we are getting the material shipped once again. Third time's a charm, I hope so. And my material is going to be picked up from Arizona, hopefully in just a couple days, and it's going to be shipped all the way up to New Jersey, where it's going to be handmade for my spring collection in the USA, which is kind of a crazy turn of events, but I ended up getting things kind of settled with the people in Arizona, and I just felt, while this is a huge whim, I'm paying to have this material shipped again. I just feel like it's the best option that I have to actually have a product and a launch for this spring. So send me some good vibes. I'm hoping that all goes as planned. They're telling me in New Jersey that once they get the materials, they can have samples going in a matter of like a week, which seems crazy because I've been literally trying to get samples done since like November, and it's taken me this long. So that is kind of what's hot. I'm hopeful that I'm going to have more news to share with you guys very, very soon. Say a little prayer for me that all goes as planned, that I can get my material from Arizona to New Jersey, and we actually have something to launch this spring. So wanted to give you guys the update. Thank you so much for those of you that have have reached out and continue to follow along. If you haven't done so yet and you're enjoying this wild ride with me, be sure to subscribe to my channel because you will not want to miss all of the news that is to come moving forward in these next couple months as we prepare for our spring summer launch. So thank you guys for all the support and have a wonderful day.